guys, what's up? I'm Kayla and today I'm going to be taking you on my hair journey. I'm going to be showing you guys all the products that I use and basically how I found out that I even have wavy curly hair. So when I was born I actually had really curly hair, and I actually had really curly hair for a long time, but as I grew older and my hair grew longer, my hair became like more wavy. I started losing the curl. And I remember all throughout elementary school and even middle school, like I hated my hair and I always wanted straight hair. I wish I was born with like thin straight hair. I used to want to like get my hair cut, thin it out. My hair was always like really thick, really just frizzy and wavy, and I'll try to insert some pictures if I can find any. I actually started straightening my hair since I was in 3rd grade because it was just always frizzy and I never like understood why. I hated my hair so much. Like, I just wish I had different hair. And I'd even like contemplate getting those like perms where like you just the keratin treatments and straighten your hair and everything. Like once I got to like high school, I realized what I was doing wrong partially. My mom always had straight hair, thin hair her whole life. And so she didn't really know how to take care of curly or wavy hair, I feel like. And she taught me at a young age, like you get out of the shower, you brush your hair, let it dry, and that's the biggest mistake I ever made. I learned when you have curly hair or wavy hair like this, you just can't really brush your hair outside of the shower. Anytime in the shower or before the shower, I brush my hair, but other than that, I do not brush my hair at all because after the shower, that's when it gets frizzy and waves do not form and it just does not look good. And then once I got to high school, I bleached my hair, and like I liked it a little bit in some pictures, but I bleached it quite a few times, and sometimes I would go get it done. Sometimes I would do it by myself. I just did whatever. I didn't really care too much. That's where I went wrong again. I had curly hair then too, but like then I feel like it was a very weird curl pattern. Like my hair would curl, but like it would just be really crazy, I feel like. And it wasn't like all the same type of curls. Some parts would be curly, some parts wouldn't be curly, and some parts would just be really just like straight at the ends and stuff, and you could just tell like that's where my hair died after bleaching my hair. Like it was just like gone. A lot of the ends of my hair were just like would be from like here down, it would be just like kind of straight. And I didn't really like, I still at that point like didn't really understand why my hair was looking like this, but I was just still kind of like new to this like curly hair and like not straightening my hair every day. And once I bleached my hair, I didn't straighten my hair that much because I figured it's either you bleach it or you straighten it. You can't really do both as often as I was doing like straightening my hair, just because like then you'd really break your hair a lot. And like just damage your hair and everything. And also in high school, I realized that's when I can't shampoo my hair every single day, and I would actually only shampoo my hair probably twice a week at most, and I only did like the roots and stuff, and I never did the end. Once I started shampooing my hair just a couple times a week, every time I would take a shower, I would for sure condition like just like the ends of my hair to like give them the moisture that it needed. And that's another thing that I realized, that when you have like wavy or curly hair, you need a lot of moisture to your hair. Your hair tends to be a lot more dry. All of these things I was doing, my hair was getting better, but at the same time it just wasn't really looking good, and it definitely didn't look anything like it does now. Then finally, I would say once I was 18, I decided to grow up my hair and just totally grow out the bleach and everything. And I've only gotten highlights probably once or twice since I started growing out my hair, and it was just kind of to like blend it in, but also I got like a balayage last year and a couple trims in between. And I feel like this at the very end is literally what's left of when I had my hair bleached, but it's definitely so much healthier. I still to this day don't really use heat products that often on my hair. I would say max once a week, but still like maybe once every other week or something. I don't really use heat products. I really try to like stay away from that because I can't really use heat products if I want to keep my hair healthy. And now I'm gonna be showing you guys the products that I currently use for my hair. I found out about this brand. It's called Virtue, and I have the shampoo and conditioner, and it is smooth shampoo and a smoothing conditioner. I really like this so far. It's free of like parabens, dyes, sulfates, colors. It's supposed to be really good for your hair. And one thing I noticed that I actually kind of like is that it doesn't really have like fragrance in it necessarily. You can tell it has just like the natural ingredients fragrance in it. I don't really mind if it doesn't have fragrance because a lot of the other hair products that I use after my shower do have fragrance, so hair still smells good, but I feel like that really shows that like it's a good product and it's more on the natural side. And this has alpha keratin, and keratin's really important for like healthy hair and for it to look good. And it really has been making my hair like frizz-free, smooth, and just really soft and nice. And I feel like I've been loving this stuff. I also use the Virtue hair mask. This stuff smells so good. It's alpha keratin also. I can't even like describe the smell, but it smells so good. I use this probably every other time I wash my hair, and it's like a really nice thick hair mask. You just leave it on in the shower for like, I leave it on for like 5 minutes and I go and do other stuff. After I wash it out, I usually brush my hair after I wash out the conditioner every time. I also try not to wash my hair every single day. I've been really trying to like keep it like healthy, and because it's really not good to be washing your hair every single day. And when you do wash your hair, it's better for your hair if you're using like lukewarm water and stuff. I like hot showers, so that tends to dry out your hair and skin and stuff, so really try not to wash my hair every single day. And so in between, I like to use dry shampoos. I have these two. I just kind of go in between. This one I've just been trying. It's the Virtue dry shampoo, and this one is one that you spray on. And then this one is Aveda, and you do not spray this on. Actually, it's not like an aerosol. You squeeze it and it's just like a powder, goes onto your hair. And a lot of times I will just like leave it on my head for like a few minutes before I really like massage it in and everything, so that way it like soaks up all the oils. I feel like these work really good. I love the smell of these. The Aveda one is a lot more like fresh smelling and kind of like more of like a lemon citrusy fresh smell. This one smells really, really good, and it's really important to keep your hair smelling good, especially when you're on like day 2 or day 3. And then directly after I get out of the shower, I dry my hair like with a towel where it's still like pretty damp, and then I will put in a few different products. I put in this Briogeo Don't Despair Repair. It is a leave-in conditioner. I love the smell of this stuff. I am obsessed with this stuff. This is actually my second bottle, and it really leaves your hair moisturized and just really nice after you get out of the shower. Makes it like not tangly, snarly, any of that. And so yeah, I've been loving this stuff. I actually swear by this stuff. This is probably the best stuff I've ever used for a leave-in conditioner. After that, I use the Hairdresser Invisible Oil, and not really sure when you're actually supposed to use this. I'm not a hairdresser at all, but I just know it always makes my hair look really shiny and healthy, and so I always put just one pump in my hand and put it all through the ends of my hair. And this stuff, you want to make sure like you do not get higher up at all, because it will make your hair look greasy. This stuff also just has like such a good shine, and it makes your hair look so healthy. You can see I put this stuff in after every single shower, every time I wash my hair, and even when I do the dry shampoo, I will put in this leave-in conditioner just to like give my hair a little refresh and make the ends look really good. And then depending how I'm feeling, I've been kind of doing this like every other time I'm washing my hair. I've just kind of been testing this out because I haven't used this stuff since high school actually. I put this on the ends of my hair, and this stuff seriously lasts forever. I just do 1 or 2 sprays because this can really make your hair look oily really fast, so you really need to like be careful. And once again, this kind of just like makes your hair look really healthy and shiny and just really nice, and it smells really good. So I will do all of that, and then I like have my head upside down and I like scrunch my hair, and I will also take a towel because a lot of times my hair is still pretty damp. when I do that, just to kind of like, I feel like dilute it a little bit, so I don't normally like dry my hair all the way before putting that stuff in. And then I take a towel and I scrunch it together and everything just to kind of get like excess off. And then normally, to keep my hair from getting pretty frizzy up here when my hair is about like quarter of the way dry, I will put it in a ponytail, just like a low ponytail, while like I'm getting ready or something, and I have it like this. So that way it kind of keeps this area flatter. And then just whenever I'm done getting ready, I will take it out, and it's still, my hair still has volume all the time. I feel like that way it's not like, I feel like curling up here more and just like getting frizzy and stuff, and it really helps kind of calm it a little bit. So this has been just a really interesting journey, I feel like, for me, just kind of having to figure all this stuff out on my own. And my daughter actually has my hair. She has such curly hair, and so I feel like I definitely have the knowledge to pass on to her for when she's growing up, and that way she just doesn't hate her hair as much as I did. And I really hope this can help people. Like, a lot of people's hair can change as they get older, and some people who might have had straight hair all their life, and you're starting to notice that your hair is getting like frizzy and kind of wavy and stuff, I would really suggest to try this method and really try not to like brush your hair outside of the shower, and just scrunch it a little bit, add more moisture. Another thing I've been trying to do is a hair mask, like overnight, at least one night a week. But I also try to do like real thick, like deep conditioning hair mask for a long time in the shower, at least a couple nights a week, just because like I said, like curly and wavy hair need a lot of moisture a lot of the time, and just trying to do as many masks as possible. The masks I usually switch up. I use coconut oil, just stuff I find like at the drugstore, whatever. Anything will help. And even just like leaving your conditioner in for like 10-15 minutes at the ends of your hair before putting it up any higher will help your hair. It has definitely been a long journey for me. It took me, I would say, 18-19 years to figure out that my hair looks like this, and to figure out just really what my hair needs and how to take care of my hair. But I'm really loving where it's at and no longer hate my hair. I love my hair now, and I love how thick it is. So yeah, just let me know in the comments if you guys would like to see a video on how I refresh my hair every day and still keep it curly. I really hope this information helped you guys. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!